So, the dangers of drone flying. I'm in the beautiful Lake Myrtle Sports Complex in Auburndale filming it. Got some great footage with the drone. The only problem is when the drone gets too far, it loses contact and it lands on its own. And you give a little radar how to find it. Looking for an hour. I just couldn't find it. And then finally, I remember my SWAT days. And they always say when you're looking, always look up. So sure enough, I found it. But the question is, now that I found it, how in the world do I get it back? Ugh, annoying.
Thank you.